Uh, I'm back, guys. I'm back. I think there's gonna be like 5 planes taking off. I think it was the plane number 1, United Airlines. Why is it struggling for takeoff? I don't know why, but at least it took off. I'm checking my radar. Well, I checked my radar earlier, and the FedEx MD-11 over there, right there, the MD-11 FedEx. It's like, well, I don't know if it's, oh, I don't know what's taking so long for this FedEx, but on my radar, it was like, it was showing the FedEx plane right there, and then it's showing it's not there. Like, okay, I'm checking my phone on accident, thinking it's moving, the FedEx, because it's just, I don't know what's taking it so long to take off. Wait, where'd it go? Yeah. Bro, what is that sound? Not this. Oh my god. Bro, dude, hold on. What the? Wait, how that? Wait, there's a plane above, right there. Oh my god. I hate mosquitoes. I keep hearing car tires screeching, like coming from over there somewhere. But I don't know what it could be, but something like that. Was that a bird? Is this a bird? Where'd it go? Wait. Okay. But something is taking FedEx. Is there a race going on over there? What's that? It's those tires are screeching. I hear that. But all I know is that all I know. Wait, let's wait for this one so I can say something. This one so guys. Now I lost counting. That's plane number 3 or 4. But all I know is that FedEx, the MD-11 right there, the MD-11 FedEx flight 1411, something is taking this plane too long to just take off. Well, that I know that there's a plane gonna take off right now, and it's right over here. What? Was that mosquito? Oh, butterfly? I don't know what that was. I'm a little confused why there was tires screeching. No, I think they stopped now. I think the tire screeching stopped. There's like parked plane jets right there. Private jets, I think. That almost looks like a Boeing 727 almost. Like almost, at least. Here comes this plane right here. I think that's plane number 5. Oh my god, thanks. My god. Oh my god, they're still screeching. Well, and then I'm gonna go check on my radar now. I'll be right back.